What if you could choose the right path in the stock market? A path where prices rise or fall based on your call or put options. Today, we are diving into a topic that's been making waves in the trading world: call options and put options. You have probably heard these terms thrown around, but if you're not sure what they actually mean, don't worry. We are breaking it all down for you. A call option gives you the right to buy a stock at a fixed price, a strike price, before expiration date. It's like saying, I think the stock will go up and I want to lock in the price now. On the flip side, the put option gives you the right to sell a stock at a set price before the expiration date. Basically, it's like saying, I think this stock is going to drop and I want to lock in the higher price now. Both of these are financial contracts that can be used for speculation, which is like your personal insurance policy against market fluctuations. Now let's talk about the key difference between call and put options. Call options are for when you're expecting the stock to go up in price. More specifically, you make a profit when the stock price is higher than the strike price at expiration. Put options are for when you expect the stocks to go down. You make a profit when the stock price drops below the strike price. To give you a quick example, let's say you buy a call option for a stock at 4,000 rupees and the stock goes up to 4,500 rupees. You could sell it at 4,500 rupees, making a profit. But if the stock doesn't rise above the 4,000 rupees, you lost the premium you paid for the option. Similarly, if you buy a put option for a stock at 2,000 rupees and the price drops to 1,800 rupees, you make a profit by selling it at the higher 2,000 rupees strike price. Now let's get into the risk and rewards of trading these options. Here's the deal. Risk. The most you can lose is the premium you paid for the option, making it a controlled risk. Reward. If the stock moves in your favor, your reward can be substantial, unlimited potential for call options, and significant profits for put options. If you are new to options trading, start small, understand the risk, and practice. The world of options can be great when done right. Call and put options can be great allies. Explore them in Navya today.